Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Today is going to be kind of an easier day and like a lot of makeup work time. Before I talk about that though, I want to say make sure you're reading these to-do lists every day. I start out with just kind of talking about a couple announcements and stuff normally. So first, these reminders. There's no online learning for you tomorrow, Friday, or Monday. Okay, so those 2 days you do not have any online learning. Okay. Teachers still do it's like a workshop day, but not for you. So use that time to make up on assignments if you have not completed everything yet and just kind of chill. And yeah. Also, conferences are tonight from 3 to 7. Many of you have signed up already. You're just doing it through your advisory teacher, and your parents have more information on that if you would like to do that. Hopefully, your parents do. All right. So let's get into it. A learning objective for today. I can engage in discussion with my classmates about the controversy of Zora Neale Hurston. All right, so first watch this video. Then you're going to go to the Thursday discussion in the Thursday folder. This is a required discussion. That's the only required assignment today. And then complete that vocabulary assignment. It's optional, but some of you wanted to work on that, so that's great. Do that if you would like, and then any makeup work. Make sure you finish those two Drenched in Light Zora Neale Hurston assignments this week. Those are both going to be graded as one assignment. So before I show you the discussion, I'm going to show you the meme winners. Remember we had on Tuesday you voted for your favorite meme or added some. So let's see. I'll present this. The winning one was this. A lot of you thought that was a good one. So that one had the most votes. Second place was this one. Stop eating out, cook at home, and you'll lose weight. Quarantine determined that was a lie. These are a couple other ones that people found online and submitted, these are awesome, really funny. Trendy clothes. This one, another good one. Also good. Just kind of show you these. You can pause if you want to look at them longer. That's a good one too. All right, that's all the ones that people submitted, I think, or as of now at least. So just wanted to show you that quick. All right, so let's get to the discussion. Also, if you join office hours today, at 10 to 10 or 10:30, we'll be playing a game if there's enough people on. So join office hours if you're interested in that. Let me show you this discussion. So there's two questions on the discussion. One of them is just a warm-up question. What's a movie you like? Rate it 1 out of 10 and explain why. Remember to respond to classmates too on both of these. Okay, the second one's kind of long, so I'll read through this for you. We have talked about how Zora Neale Hurston was controversial among other African American authors because of how her African American characters talk and act in her stories. Many feel that she creates stereotypical African American characters and that the way her characters talk is offensive in how white people saw African American people at the time. Hurston was doing this to share what she thought was the real, authentic African American culture of the South where she grew up. This is an example from Drenched in Light. This is of Icy talking. So when we read that story, we kind of had it in a different vernacular. So like this was the original text that Zora Neale Hurston wrote. So if you read that aloud to yourself, you can kind of see that Zora Neale Hurston thought this was authentic to how African American people talked in the South, at least. And a lot of other authors thought that this was just a stereotype and kind of made them not sound how they thought they should be seen. I hope that makes sense. So your question is, which side of controversy are you on? Do you think this kind of writing is how effective for Zora Neale Hurston, or do you think it's offensive and not actually representative of African American culture? Okay, I hope that question makes sense. There's no right or wrong answer. I just want your opinion, and then try to respond to a classmate or two when you're done. Okay, that's all you got to do today, and then make up any other assignments. You have the next 2 days off of online learning too, so you guys have a lot of time to catch up on stuff. All right, let me know if you need anything. Join office hours, and we can play a game today. All right, bye everybody.